Hey guys, welcome back to another video of Tactim channel. Hope you guys having a nice day. In this video I'm gonna show you how can you change Amazon country on iPhone. So guys, to change Amazon country on iPhone, let's just go to the Amazon app. After going to the Amazon app, in the bottom second option, as you can see, there is a profile icon. You need to click on that, and after that in the top right side there is a flag and en. In my case, just click on that, and after that here you can see the first one is country and region. Just click on it. Now from here you can just choose any of this country. I'm going to choose Japan. Now here you can see language. You can change your language as well from this, and you can also change the currency. Just click on it. You can choose the Japanese currency and click on done, and by this way you can just change your country on Amazon. So guys, that's how you can do it. Hope you find this video helpful. If you found this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe Tactim channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.